Beep boop bop. Oh my god, you guys. Oh my god, you guys. So, I was contacted by a company and they sent me this. I feel like famous right now. Like, what? This is crazy. Ignore my finger. I slammed my finger in my car door. But yes, we have this. And it's from a company, and I'm here to talk about it. And I'm going to give you my fully my own opinion. No, just because I think this doesn't mean I'm going to favor them, and I'm going to talk about it the way a first impressions customer would. Now, I will say, as you probably noticed, there's not very many videos of me doing this because I've really only done a couple. So I don't have a lot to compare it to, but I've had a few, and I kind of know what they look like on the inside. But this one sounds like it got quite a bit of stuff in there. I don't know what's in it. It's so big. Much larger than anything I've done previously. As you can see, this is the width of it. It's 60 by 60 centimeters. And I thought I could just start it, and then you guys could just kind of like leave your guesses below as to what you think it could be. And then by the end of it, you'll find out. I may not even remember what I picked. So we'll see when we open it up. Oh, by the way, the name of the company is Victoria's Moon. I will link all of the information and a coupon code down in the description. I am not an affiliate. They just sent me the coupon code for you guys. It does not help me in any way. And I figured I'll just open it in this video, and then we can like start it, and then I'll do some on my own, and then I'll come back and I'll show you guys the process. But here we go. Oh my goodness. Do you see this? The whole box just fell off the table, but look at this thing. It's cute. Look how cute it is. Oh my god. They put this, I imagine this was supposed to be like this. This must be a little case for it. I don't, look how cute. Oh, I love it so much. It even comes in a little case. Oh my god, I love it. Oh, it's pink and it's sparkly. Oh, that's adorable. I'm about it. Okay, I don't know if this comes in all the boxes or if they just sent me this, but this is cute. Okay, I'm gonna stop obsessing. Also, I'm talking about how much more like high tech this is looking. Like, what do I use this for? And what do I use this for? I mean, this is for picking things up, but what is this skinny end for? I'm so confused. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's everything in the box. That's all of it. Now, the box does not show what this is or what it looks like, and oh, there's a little preview on the side, but I'll keep it flipped over for the moment. Wow, look at all of these. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, and they're square. So I asked them for the square because I haven't done square before. So I wanted to see what the square ones were like. So we got square. Oh, I'll use my non-messed up finger. We'll use the square, we'll have the square, they're called drills, I guess, is the technical term. But we have square ones. And look at how many colors there are. Oh my goodness. This is hefty. And then here's the, the mat, which is what we stick everything to. But we'll put that aside for the minute. Just want to see. Okay, so I think this is what it would normally come with, but I think they threw this in for me, which is amazing, and I love this. It's so cute. Looks like here's the key, okay? So it is on the side of this mat here, I saw. Looks like they sent me a printout of the key, or if it just comes in the box. And then it looks like, get that crinkle ASMR in there. Now, this set comes with little tweezers. No other set of Mine has come with tweezers, so that's cool. It comes with little tweezers. Love that. And we've got, I don't know what this is. Something I haven't seen before. We got a little boat. And look at this one. So this one has like, you can pick up like, I don't know, multiple, I guess, with this. Ooh. And then it comes with more wax. It comes with the wax. Ooh, this wax feels much less, is like way more malleable and more, it's less shiny, therefore it's like less slick. The other kind was really slick. This is very, soft and, maybe it'll work better. I love this. Look at, you can put, I guess you could put multiples on, I imagine. And then here's the other end. The used pen tip, question mark. That's what these makes me think of, used pen cases. Like tubes without the ink, you know. I'm excited about these little tweezers. And I don't know. I don't actually know what this is. I'm not sure what this is. Do they have instructions in them? There aren't any instructions in here. I don't know what you use this little thing for, but maybe I'll figure it out at some point. So I moved you guys out of the way a little bit, but I thought before I bring the picture up here, I'll open this bad boy up because we didn't even open this up yet. Oh my goodness. Wow, wow, wow. So these are named with quite a few more letters and numbers than the other ones that we have. They're like 22-939-28.8 grams. G for grams, I imagine. So many colors. I like this color palette. Look how pretty. It's very blue, purple, galaxy, black, blue, corals. Look at this color of the year. Is this like coral color, I think. The Pantone color of the year. There's more of this color. It's like an in-between of these two colors. Oh, looks like there's a stray gray one in this pink package. Look. You're not supposed to be in there, sir. Well, there's all kinds of stuff here. The organizer in me wants to put them together by color code. Boy, I don't even know what to start with. Let me look at the legend here. Okay, let's see. How do these correlate here? We got 3805. Okay, so it must be this middle number here. Let's see that. So if you see this 3805 number, and then it's right here too. Let's see, let's try another one. 608, yeah, there's 608 over there. Okay, so this middle number is the deciding factor of the correlation to the key here. Oh boy, very interesting, very interesting. I don't even know where to start, there's so many colors. Let's look at the match, shall we? We just have this knife in the shop. Okay, this thing is large and in charge. But I wanted to show you guys the key and what it looks like on the page, or on the canvas, I guess. A little of what it looks like. Let's see, we got a bunch of arrows going up. I'll find that on the key. Oh, number 2 up here. I missed it. So we got number 2 here. So number 2 is 158. So we're looking for 158, and I think it's going to be a navy. This looks pretty, maybe like a purpley color. Let's see. Ah, 158, number 2. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. Now I understand. So the number 2, 158. Sticky. Number 2, 158. Now I get it. And then the weight is 13.9 grams. Ah. I understand the number system. Shall we put a couple on with our cute little... I'm gonna put a couple on with this cute thing, which I'm really, really excited about. Oh, these ones are really shiny. Wow, these ones are so much shinier than the other ones that I tried. Oh look, we have a random pink one in there too. Now, these bad boys are looking... Oh, ignore the wax here. I was told to shake it back and forth to help me put them in the little grooves. Oh yeah, look at that. It works. And look how much shinier these ones are. I don't know. They look shinier to me. I'm not sure. Maybe I should go get some for comparison. Be right back. So, to compare, okay, well, maybe pick these up first. Oh, they're much less staticky than the other ones. But I grabbed a similar color so we could look at them, and I guess they are side by side.
Pretty similar. Oh my god.
Well, good thing I don't have any pets, and that this isn't, there's no dogs going to be licking these up. Because I'm sure they're now all over the floor. Well, like I was saying, for comparison, they are, I suppose, similar. This is the Victoria's Moon, and this is Diamond Art. Alright, back to business. Let's put down some of these arrows. Look at that. Nailed it. So we got this boy here. Now, something that you don't have to worry about with the round ones is which way you put them down, but I guess with the square ones you gotta make sure you're putting them down square. I wanna try this shit. I imagine you still have to stamp it like the others. I got some in there. Let's see. Okay, I got like 5 right there. Yes! Okay, let's see. Hang on, nailed it, except this one. Oh, let me try the skinny side. I don't know if you're supposed to use the skinny side for this, but I mean, I guess you could. Yeah, it's working. I'm into it. I actually think I like the skinny side better. Oh no, what have I done? Oh no. Okay. That could have gone south real quick. I can only imagine that in the factory, these things are literally fucking everywhere. And that's why there's a random color in here, because they just can't control them, because they're just everywhere. People do this like all the time. Are these things all over your floors? Do you find these things for months after you finish a project? Because I could easily see how that's the truth. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, I really appreciate it. And I'd like to thank Victoria's Moon for sending me this amazing kit. I'm really loving it so far. Good reviews all around so far. Big thumbs up to them. I want to thank them for sending me the kit, and I also want to thank you guys for watching and hitting that subscribe and like button. Don't forget to leave a comment and tell me what you think this piece will be when it's finished. I'll catch up with you guys in the next week for the finished product of this painting. Till then, see you later. Bye guys.